Hello, I'm Mary Wilson. Welcome to Ask the Attorney. I am pleased to again be joined by Attorney John Haymond from the Haymond Law Firm. Hello, how are you?
I'm just fine. It's so nice to be here.
Thanks again for joining us. Let's get right into our question today. This comes from Alex M. He writes, Attorney Haymond, I have a personal injury case and my doctor said at some point I'll need a knee replacement. I want to put it off, but the insurance company wants to settle. Can I settle my case even if I need future treatment?
Well, the answer to that is yes, you can settle that, notwithstanding the fact that you may need further treatment. I highly recommend that you don't settle it prematurely. This is the kind of case where we need to know the long-term effects, the full extent of the injury, and frankly, you don't know that for at least 10 months to a year from the date of the accident. Now, in this situation, the victim is going to have knee replacement surgery. I don't know how old he is, but let's assume he's 35 years old. He has a life expectancy of 50 more years. So this may require 1, 2, maybe even 3 knee replacements over the course of his lifetime. These are things that at the Haymond Law Firm we'd take into account. We would hire an occupational therapist to see if he can continue to handle the same job in the same manner. Maybe he'd have to take on a different occupation entirely. We'd also hire an economist. And an economist would tell us his lost wages, his future lost wages, and the costs of further medical treatment for knee replacements. I strongly advise you to wait until we know all the factors that are potentially available.
It sounds like you're taking all those variables and factors into consideration and you're really thinking of the long-term effects, not just the here and now.
In my situation, whenever a client comes to my office, I always tell them we need to wait until we know the long-term effects, the full extent of your injuries, and we will not resolve your case until we have an answer to all those questions.
All right, thanks so much for your advice, John. And if you have a question you'd like to ask the attorney, you can call 1-800-HAYMOND or go to haymondlaw.com.